Good morning, I am Guruvel from PSR Engineering College, Sivagasi. Me and my friend Guruvel commonly present our project. We are studying second year electrical and electronical engineering. Our project title is Automatic Water Plant System under the guidance of Control Autonomy.
The idea arises to help my father. My father is a farmer. Our agriculture land is nearby Western Ghats. In our region, wild pigs are roaming when there is no humans nearby. It will destroy our field and for watering our jasmine flowers field. My father needs to go to the field twice a day. Hence, to help the farmers, we designed our project.
The major components of our project are Node MCU and IoT techniques. The field is monitored using for 4 sensors such as PAR sensor is detected the motion of the any object, and THD sensor is detect the temperature and humidity. Moisture sensor is detect to the moisture content of your field soil. Rain sensor is detect the rainfalls. And in this relay model we are connecting any water pump to our circuit. The setup is its power supply unit for this circuit, and then this is node MCU and its rain sensor and its oil moisture sensor driver, and then this is relay model. We are connecting the any motor pump on our circuit. Now humidity is 72 and then temperature is 32.7 and soil moisture is 523.
The monitor data are displayed in our mobile in IoT techniques. This monitor data are also presented in chart form. It will help to monitor the field throughout a day, a month or an year.
If any animals or other unknown persons enter into our field, the PAR sensor will monitor and send a notification to the farmer.
The rain sensor helps to sense the flow of rain, and with the controller unit will turn off the water pump if it is on condition. All the notifications are received in our mobile. In our mobile, we can turn on and off the water pump by setting time in our mobile itself. Now the time is 3:52, and then the motor will turn on automatically on 3:53. The motor will turn on, the water flow starts on the water pump. If our project comes for market sale, the cost of this kit will nearly 1500 rupees only. This is a farmer friendly smart system. Thanking you.